Are you worried that your ACCA exams are approaching in 45 days and are looking for a plan to how to crack it? Then watch my video till the end. I'm Megha Vansali, ACCA, CA and a commerce career coach. Today I'm going to be giving out effective tips on how to plan your ACCA examination in the remaining 45 days and to crack your March 26 attempt. If you're a student who hasn't started preparing, then this video is for you. And if you're a student who's willing to put in 6 to 8 hours per day for your March attempt, then watch the video. Otherwise, please stop it right away. Now, I'm going to be giving you a generic plan on how you can target your March attempt with confidence. So first and foremost, what you need to do is definitely understand the syllabus. Very important, guys, because when you look at the syllabus, you will see some chapters have high weightage, some chapters have low weightage. So first, what you need to do is break down your syllabus into 3 categories: A, B and C. A is something that is tested every attempt. So you need to do that study by yourself. Simply take out an analysis of past papers. So if you're using like a Kaplan book has an analysis chapter wise. So definitely make use of it. If you're using the ACCA study hub, under the study hub, you can automatically see how many questions are coming from each chapter in the past attempt. So that will give you an idea as to what has been tested. Or else the best way is download the syllabus document available under the study support resource, which has a clear breakdown of what is tested in section A, B and C. So first, prioritize your syllabus into A, B and C category. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to do. So spend a good half a day understanding the syllabus, prioritizing the syllabus and structuring your syllabus. So after you're done with this, please spend good time, okay? I really mean it. The second step that you need to do now is make a plan. Now, how do you make a plan? And if you are someone who cannot stick to the plan, it's okay. Still, you need to make a plan. Now, what you need to do is, let's say there are 6 chapters in my A category. So spend good 18 days on this. 3 days per chapter. Okay. So in my category A, I will be spending 3 days per chapter. Now, what to do in those 3 days? First day, please understand the syllabus very, very well. Just do concept clarity. Do not do anything else. Read the entire concept. Just that. Day 2. First 2 hours, summarize the concept. Probably open the book again, summarize it. Probably you want to highlight, you want to make some flow charts, you want to make some notes, you want to make some audio notes, whatever you think works for you. Summarize it. This is really going to help you at the time of revision, and spend not more than 2 hours to summarize the entire chapter. What's happening is you're revising. Then the rest of the day, you're going to do questions, either from the exam kit or from the practice hub, whatever you're using. Please practice all questions of that chapter. Please note category A of chapters, you will have to practice all questions. So you spend 1.5 days practicing questions, 1.5 days doing concepts. So 3 days we are covering with the chapter. Now let's say my 18 or 20 days are over doing this, because every subject, if you'll see, roughly has 5 to 6 important chapters. So I've spent 20 days doing this. Now I'm left with next 25 days. So what to do? We move to category B. Category B is spend 2 days per chapter. So what you have to do is, again, first day, you have to do your concepts. End of the day, only make summary, because this is not a high weighted chapter. You have to do it fast. Okay. So we need to spend 2 days on this. So 1 day doing chapter and summary, and 1 day doing questions. Now, because again the frequency is less, the number of questions are going to be less. So in 1 day, you will be very comfortably finishing it. Finish that for your B category. Okay, so now number of days. In your section B, typically you will have, again, let's say 5 to 6. Let's say 6. So you have spent 2 days. So you have spent 12 days. Let me take 15 days on the buffer. So 20 plus 15. 35 days I have spent doing this. Now what you need to do in the next 10 days. Section C, let's say, has 5 chapters. Do not spend 5 days, guys. Do 1 chapter every day. because here you have to spend probably 4-5 hours or maybe even less than that. 3 hours a day I think will be enough. Normally if you will see these chapters, concepts are less, you will hardly find 2-3 questions per chapter, so you can finish it in half a day. 3 hours is basically that you'll need for your section C category chapters. Finish that. Then in the later half of the day, please do one past paper. Now, first 2-3 past papers, just go through. Just go through the paper, see what you're able to understand, probably write some short notes, check the answer key. Do this for next 2 papers. Okay? Do that for 2 papers. So you have typically spent 2 days. Now we're left with 8 days before the examination. Now for the next 5 days, do 5 past papers which you have to write down. Okay, so please do it under the exam style. Probably there are some topics you've still not covered. That's okay, because when you're reading the answer key, you're going to cover it. And in 2-3 days, you're going to finish your syllabus. So that's perfectly fine, guys. So do past papers. It is very, very, very important. Do it under a 3 hour gap itself. Do not take breaks. Sit at one stretch. All I'm expecting is 5 past papers, guys. I don't think it's that hard. To finish 5 papers, you finish the syllabus. Now you're only left with 3 days. So now how to plan this 3 days is the next question. On the third last day, read your examiner's report, read examining team guidance, read the marking scheme, so that now that you have done the syllabus, you have done past papers, you have done all the questions, now is the time to understand what is right, what is wrong, how to approach the examination. So typically finish that in your third last day. Then you have left with 2 days where you revise, go through important topics, go through questions. So this will give you a solid plan to complete your ACCA syllabus in 45 days. Trust me, this is very effective and you will really pass your examination with great confidence if you follow this plan. In case you're looking for a tailored plan or a customized plan or any sort of guidance for your examination, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be very happy to guide and help each one of you. Share this with your lazy friends who feel they can still crack their exam in 45 days. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and do drop a comment below as to how your preparation is going on. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.